Hi, Carol and Mike Church here. Today we are in Duncan, South Carolina at Squires Point. This is a townhome community. I can't wait to go in this model. It's going to be superb. I love the craftsmanship. These are true craftsman's homes. I love the detail. Beautiful. So come along with me. Okay, I am starting here in the living area, the great room. Nice TV. This actually is the Maddox model. It is 2596 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath for $496,900. I absolutely love the craftsmanship. Just here we've got like a little office area. You can make it whatever you want to. The front door is high, very tall. Love the tall ceilings. Very nice. Love, love, love this kitchen. You got granite countertops. You got a pantry over here. Nice. And it goes up there. Plenty of storage. Plenty of storage. Wow. Gas stove with a very nice vent hood system that does go to outside. Vents outside. Plenty of storage. You got a microwave, oven. Everything's Bosch. Wow. Very nice quality. And they do have some incentives going on now. I'll tell you about it in a minute. And dishwasher. Huge sink. Wow. Stainless sink. Very nice. Luxury vinyl plank floors. Very nice. So straight ahead is the garage. We'll go out there in just a moment. We've got a half bath over here for your guests. Very nice. And then there's an extra room right here. And you can make it whatever you want to make it. You can make it an office or little guest room. And the hot water heater actually is in that closet. And then across is a formal dining area. Beautiful. I love their fixtures and everything in here. It's very nice. And then you got a door here that goes to a porch. Very nice. Let's see if I can get out here. Okay, so this is good size. You could put a grill out here, and as you can see, the neighbor has screened theirs in. Isn't that cute? Okay, now we're out to the garage. Nice big 2-car garage with a high ceiling, so you could put some storage items, you know, up there, up above. I love the stairs. Beautiful. I am upstairs in this gorgeous model home, the Maddox plan. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2596 square feet for only $496,900. This is lot 12. Squires Point in Duncan, South Carolina is close to I-85. It's between Greenville and Spartanburg, South Carolina. Discover this maintenance-free, luxury living townhome community with 2,000 plus square feet in these homes, some of them. There are 4 different floor plans that include granite counters, LVP flooring, custom lighting, and an attached 2-car garage. These are built by Durham Homes, a custom local builder here in South Carolina. This happens to be one of our favorite builders. They really pay close attention to detail. If you love craftsman homes, these are true craftsman homes. I do want to mention there are plenty of incentives at this time. I will have more information below on the incentives for financing and cash buyers. 5 luxury townhomes do include a refrigerator, smart TV, and alarm system. This location is great if you travel a lot. It's only 8.1 miles away from Greenville-Spartanburg International Airport. So if you can see yourself living in one of these exquisite luxury townhomes in Duncan, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to me and Mike and we'll be glad to help you out. The HOA for this community is only $200 per month. That includes trash pickup, yard, and exterior maintenance. That is an awesome deal. I will have to say, I fell in love with this home. This master bedroom upstairs is amazing. It's very spacious. The bathroom is huge, and the shower, oh my goodness. I think that's ceramic tile. I'm not sure, but it is some kind of tile. It's beautiful. All the way up to the ceiling. Just gorgeous. Got a bench there to sit on. Double vanity. Everything you could need. A little closed off bathroom there. Water closet. There you go. So yeah, I'm out on the porch. This is right off of the master bedroom, and it was just very quiet and serene out there. Just lovely. Great location. It's like it's little tucked away in this little hidden treasure area, but yet it's convenient to Highway 101, I-85, the airport. This is another home that is available. There's several, and they're all just as cute as they can be. So yeah, there is some green area, so you can, get some exercise, walk your dog, of course. The mailbox station is right there for your mail and small packages. So yeah, we just love these homes. It is beautiful out here. Very, very nice. And of course, your driveway goes to your double garage around the back side of these. So you have your own little private entrance. Thank you so much. See you next time.